Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at the CountLab Model 5 cash register. So in this video I'm going to use the machine and cover the basic features and functions and hopefully give you enough information for you to decide whether the machine's suitable for your business or not. So Model 5 is the mid-range machine in the 4, 5 and 6 range. It's supplied with a compact drawer. Model 4 has no drawer and Model 6 has the standard size drawer. So the machines are all supplied with a mains cable just over 1 metre long and also a set of mode keys. So the Model 5 has the secure mode lock for Reg mode, X mode, Z mode and PGM mode. One key is for the cashiers and will only go to Reg and X, and then you have other manager keys for reporting and programming. So if we, in the Reg mode, process a sale on the till, you simply type in the price, apply it to one of your department buttons and repeat the procedure for each item in the sale. Now this machine is programmable, so you can see the 16 departments I've got here, they've all been pre-programmed, some with a preset price. So as well as having a description, you can also have preset prices. If you've got preset prices set up, it then brings the multiply button into play. So you've got the ability to do 10 multiply pint of cider or whatever your button is. When you've entered all the lines in a transaction, subtotal, and you've got 3 pre-programmed method of payment buttons. You've got check, card and cash. So if this was a cash sale, type in the amount of money here and then hit the cash button. The numeric display that you can see on screen is obviously the operator display, but those numerics are also shown on the reverse so the customer can see what's going on. When you cash the sale off, the change is displayed on screen, and you also get a till receipt automatically print out, so you can see there the departments have been pre-programmed, receipt headers programmed, and also the footer is personalised as well. If you don't want a receipt printing out with every transaction, you've got a receipt on off button there, and then you can issue a receipt on request at the end of a sale using the receipt issue button. If we put another sale through, I'll show you some of the other features of the machine. You can do fractional entries, so 1.5 multiplied £1.50 into a department. Subtotal. You've also got a discount button on there, so at the end of a sale, when you've hit subtotal, you can apply a variable discount, so 10% off the total sale, and then this time we'll do a card payment. So the card button's over here. Again, the receipt prints out, displays the method of payment on there. Obviously the method of payment is crucial because that information then appears on your end of day report. So you'll have one total for cash and one total for card. While we've got the cash drawer open, we'll take a look at it. Obviously it's a compact drawer. I'll put the dimensions to the machine on the website. But even though it's compact drawer, you've still got 4 note holders, so your 5, 10, 20 and 50. 4 coin pots here. They're quite small but they're quite deep, so you can get a decent amount of coins in. And then you've got this large tray here which is removable, which I've split my pounds and £2 in, but you could also put 50s in there I guess. And then there's a media slot at the front for putting in checks and maybe card slips if you don't want to open the drawer every time. You've got a cash drawer key, which obviously you don't need to keep in all the time, but you can open the drawer outside of a sales transaction using the key. You just open the drawer like that, so you can work manually. If we look at some of the other function buttons on the till, you've got received on account for entering your cash float if necessary, paid out for paying suppliers out the drawer. You've got a void button, so if you make a mistake during a sales transaction you can void a specific line. So we've just voided the grocery line there, so the subtotal's now £1. You've got a returns button. We've covered the multiply button and the discount button, so that's kind of it for the main functions. So if I cash that sale off, I'll now show you the report mode. So you've got X mode, which is a non-resetting report function, so it gives you the same information at the end as the end of day Z report, but it doesn't reset the data. And then if we go around to the Z report, the Z mode, hit the cash button, this is running our end of day report. So if we take a look at the top of the report, you've got Z, so you know it's a reset. It says Days Report, and then you've got each department listed out. So it's got the department name, grocery, dairy, fresh, and the amount of money put through each department. It only prints the departments that you've sold through, so if empty departments aren't shown. You've got a subtotal, discount, void total, and then crucially you've got your cash and card totals. So ours is coming out 99.35 and 12.82 will add up to that net total of 112.17, and then you've got your cash and draw confirmation total at the bottom. One thing I like about the machine is when there's no consecutive totals or grand totals in the machine. When you run a Z report, it resets everything, so you can prove that by running another one straight afterwards, and everything's at 0. In terms of the programming of the machine, obviously if you order the machine directly through the Shop Stuff website, we sell the machine on a bronze service, which is supplied with the software for programming the machine, but you program it yourself. So we'd recommend if you order it on the gold or platinum service, we actually program the machine for you. So the receipt header is programmed, and also your department buttons here are programmed. So it says, instead of saying Department 1, Department 2, Department 3, it's personalised to your business. We'll also program the receipt header message here and the footer message if required. The Platinum service, obviously that's the gold service. Platinum service is basically these buttons. We take the caps off and put personalised printed descriptions on there for you so they match the programming of the machine. So that's the Platinum service. If you're not bothered about having that, then just order on the gold service, but if you want those keycaps set up, then order on the Platinum. In terms of optional extras on the machine, obviously the machine's supplied with one till roll to get you going, but we'd recommend ordering at least one box because you do need a till roll loaded to operate the machine. You can order spare inserts for the machine as well. One of the unique features of the CountLab range is that the cash drawer and the actual till body are detachable, so you can order an extension cable if you want the drawer mounted under the counter. You can have the till sitting higher up and then use this extension cable to extend the gap between the two. You can also order cash drawer brackets to fit the cash drawer, and then we also supply or offer a mains extension cable which is 2 meters if you're not directly next to your plug socket. If you're using the machine in a hospitality environment, we'd always recommend ordering with one of our antimicrobial wet covers. Just limits the chance of liquid getting under the buttons and damaging the keyboard. Okay, I hope that's enough information for you on the CountLab Model 5. I'll put up links to the models 2 and 4, and also a playlist for the CountLab tills, which are probably appearing on screen now, so feel free to check those out. If I've missed anything out of the video, you can contact us via YouTube or the Shop Stuff website. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching.